guys, so what you're seeing here, we finally made it to the road that had the camping spot on it, but we had to stop because a mama moose jumped in front of us and ran down the road, but she left her baby behind. And moose will actually get stressed out and die if you like chase them down the road with your car per se. So you're supposed to stop and let them go first, let them get a good distance ahead of you. And she jumped off the road, so we were able to keep going on our way, but we waited and stayed way behind so that she had room to do what she needed to do. Now this is the first morning in our little pop-up camper, and I'm about to cook breakfast, I believe. Yeah, I'm cooking breakfast. I'm gonna throw some bacon and some English muffins on the Blackstone, and then we also have a bunch of fresh fruit to snack on during our mornings. And it's pretty early right about now. It's probably, actually we slept in most mornings that we were up there, and it was actually really nice. I think we didn't leave the camper this morning until about 8:30 in the morning, 8:30, which is sleeping in for us.
October 27th, Berry Medical Center for 1 to 3 and Center for breast cancer survivors. There is no charge. Keynote speaker had.
So we've already been out and about a little bit this morning. It is rainy and cold out, so that means we're going to have to stick to waterfowl hunting on bodies of water, or we're going to have to take Rosie out and work her in some clearings and whatnot and see what she can do. But I just came over here to look at mushrooms that are over here. I'm not versed enough in mushrooms yet. I'm learning, and I do really need to get a book so that when we're somewhere with no cell service, I can still identify stuff. We're gonna pick some and bring them home anyhow, and once we get into cell service, I'll be able to identify them and ask my friend to confirm my identification on that sheet. Lunchtime. Paul just took Rosie for a walk. We're trying to just let her do her thing and praise her when she does it correctly, and see if she finds us anything this weekend. She's still really young, so, but she is doing a good job sticking right with us, especially for a beagle. I'm really proud of her and her behavior. Kingston just eats bacon and cheese on a piece of bread. Stevie Run is not interested in a sandwich, so we're just going to give her all the stuff she likes on a sandwich. Oh, that was loud. So she's just going to get a plate with a piece of cheese and some pickles and some bacon on it. This morning we had bacon slices and bananas for breakfast on the go, English muffins. It is cold, cold, cold out up here this weekend. It is rainy and windy. Rainy and windy is not great for finding partridge, especially if you're road hunting. That's why we're kind of in the woods and doing walks. Still struggling to find them though. So I think we're going to spend the afternoon It's about 11:30 now. I think we're going to spend the afternoon finding bodies of water, seeing if we can't pick off a couple of ducks or geese. That might be better luck for us with this type of weather this weekend.
I'm not getting it.
Hey, Rosie!
Rosie, no.
This is beautiful though. It's gorgeous.
Rosie!
So if you didn't know this about Northern Maine, there are campsites everywhere up here, and this is one of them. It goes down that walkway a bit, and there's big beautiful campsites, picnic tables. The Maine Inland and Fisheries does a really good job taking care of places like this and managing them. So Maine is a great place to go camping. Looks like there's another campsite down here actually, and this is right on the river. Alright, so we just got back to the camp, and we had a really slow start to our morning. We'd kind of given up on caring too much, and then our day took right off. And so this is a partridge, and we got 6 out of 8 of our daily bag limit. So that's really exciting and really good. But now we have to clean them up and get them on ice so that they don't go bad before we get home on Sunday. Some hunting dog you are. What? No, get off of me. Get off of me. You ain't gonna find anything looking like that. So I'm just giving these a quick rinse off. They'll get thoroughly cleaned before I package them up at home. This is just to kind of get most of the feathers off and put them on ice so that they can tenderize and stay good until we get home on Sunday. We got 6 of them, which is like one meal with maybe a little bit of leftovers, but it's still worth it. And you can see on that one that we did accidentally hit the breast with the ammunition, with the shotgun shell. That happens when you're shooting birds that are small. You try to make it not happen, but I mean, 1 out of 6, only one looks like this, so I think we did all right. Now I'm going to rinse off the little hearts, and I did cook these right up tonight with our steak. If you guys have not tried the hearts, the organ meat out of your livestock, your wild game, what have you, the heart is like the tastiest piece of meat in the entire animal. It's tender and yummy, and it's fantastic for you. I'm the only one that eats it in the house, but that's okay because I don't mind not sharing. Of course, these are small, but they are little tiny delicious pieces of heaven. okay over the generator. I need to prep some vegetables for dinner tonight. We are doing steak that we've had marinating for a couple days, and okay. And before we left the farm, I picked a few nice peppers because we still haven't gotten a hard frost, and half a gallon of string beans, and we will saute those up with the steak on the Blackstone, along with these cute little partridge hearts. It is getting dark out on our first day YouTube, so this is when I'll say goodnight for the first day. I have a hot cup of coffee, comfortable clothes, a fire. I'm gonna roast a marshmallow while Paul cooks dinner, and we will see you in the morning. Well, we didn't get much recording done on our way out because we were just kind of anxious to get home. It was a 6-hour drive back home, so our second day ended with no birds down, but that's okay. We really enjoyed it up here. We will talk soon, guys. Happy homesteading.